Hello, wonderful people. You are welcome once more to my channel Acapella. In today's very recipe, I will be introducing you on how to do pepper puff puff. Pepper puff puff. Please, if you are new to my channel, please, I beg you to subscribe and share. So let's get the ball rolling. Here we have our ingredients. We have an egg, we have oil in place of butter, we have onions and pepper, we have milk, we have I have my flour here. This is yeast, this is sugar and salt. This is also water, warm water. In this very case, you are going to use warm water. Make sure it's very warm and not hot because you are dealing with yeast. Don't use cold water whenever you are dealing with yeast. You always use what? Warm water. So I have here my bowl. Right now, this is 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. Pour it. Okay. This is my salt. Take 1/3 of this teaspoon. This is my sugar. So in this very sugar, in this very one, I'm going to mix it along with milk and yeast together inside my warm water. Now prepare a liquid solution to that mixture. Now I've broke my egg. I'll pour milk or butter on this thing. I'll add sugar, 5 spoons of sugar here. This one is add my yeast, 2 of yeast. Now mix it for your water. Mix it. So while we are mixing it, mixing our sugar and yeast in the water, our own water, I have like half cup of water here. So we allow it like 5 minutes to prove itself to it. Okay, inside our dry flour, let's add the yeast. The yeast and the sugar, which is a key part of this recipe. can see I use only 1 cup of water. Now let me add my oil in place of butter. If you want to use oil, you can use better oil. If you don't have it, you buy butter. Any good butter you can see it in the market, you buy it and use. So you can see my dough. You can see how it is. That is the consistency you need for this recipe. So before you add your onions and your pepper, I normally add it at the end when I'm about to fry my puff puff. I like to cook. So you give it like an hour. You come back to it. So this is our puff puff. Let me take it down. I'll add, can you see it? It has gone down. It's gone down. So I'll add my pepper. Can you see the quantity of pepper? Depends on what you want. If you want it to be too pepperish, you can still add more. So I add this and add my onions. And mix it up. Mix it very well. And cover it again to come up. So you can see the color. The pepper really come out well. The pepper came out very well. You can see the color has changed. So let's cover it. Allow it like an hour again before you start frying. As you can see, we are about to fry it. Look at it. So let's start frying. First of all, you test the oil. I've already tested the oil. The oil is now ready. It's ready. Just need to come up. Can you see it? So our pop pepper pop, very nice. So it's ready. Our pop. So if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumb up, share and subscribe. Till we see you next time. Bye.